Oh no, a flood. Sid, get over here right now.
Oh my god, Sid did this. He's so gonna get it.
Ha 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 ha. Look at the teachers and students dying. Now let's go to Chuck E. Cheese.
Sid, I can't believe you flooded our school.
I agree with the colossal D.
Sie Jonas, you are rebu expelled for five years go home no and we will call your parents.
I agree with Leopold Slick and Dash Ketchum.
Now go home.
Oh 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 oh. Sid, how dare you flood the school and get expelled for 5 years? That's it. I had it with you. You are grounded for 08295789127552398572239085728937589237589 years. Go to your room now.